In the last few videos, we focused more on virtualization. In this video, we shall see how virtualization is related to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What is the definition given to cloud computing? What are its service models and what are its deployment models? Virtualization is actually one technology which is used by cloud computing, and this is the technology which is used to create virtualized resources that can be provided as services. And cloud computing is one mechanism or approach which is used for the delivery of such services. Thus, virtualization is one among the lot of technologies which is used by cloud computing. And cloud computing is one method or approach which is used for the delivery of services. And there are other mechanisms or approaches for the delivery of such services. Any such mechanism or approach cannot be referred to as a cloud technically. To be a cloud, it must have some characteristics and must have five essential characteristics: resource pooling, broad network access, on-demand self-service, measured service, and rapid elasticity. Only with these five essential characteristics it can be technically a cloud. And cloud computing aims to provide access to a shared pool of computing resources as services. Until now, we focused on providing VMs as services or virtual machines as services. But services can be in different forms and they can be broadly categorized into three service models. They are infrastructure as a service or platform as a service and software as a service. And cloud has four deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. So now cloud is not just a mechanism or approach for service delivery. It is now a business model for service delivery powered by many technologies, many new technologies. And cloud has five essential characteristics, three service models, and four deployment models. Now let's see the definition which is given to cloud computing. Cloud computing provides access to a shared pool of computing resources, that too configurable computing resources, and it provides an ubiquitous, convenient, and on-demand network access to that pool. It provides a broad network access with high availability and reliability. The services are always available. It's available anywhere, anytime, on any device such as mobile, PC, laptop, on any device over internet. And the customers are serviced on demand, that too self-servicing. The customers can themselves go to some portal and acquire the service by paying for the service without interacting with the service provider. And they need to pay only for what they use, thus it's a measured service. And the resources are rapidly provided and rapidly released, so there is scalability with rapid elasticity, and all these are done with minimal management effort or minimal service provider interaction. Hence, there is resource pooling, a broad network access with high availability and reliability, self-servicing, measured servicing, scalability with elasticity, and automation. Thus, cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, and on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction.